In this quick video, I will show you how to participate in the AIPAD IDO Without a tire. iPad pre-sale will be available on PC Pad, AIPAD and MetaVPad, and usually to participate in the IDO you need to have some tire. For example, on MetaVPad you need to have at least 30,000 tokens, and at current price it will cost you at least $447. But what if you don't have such money and you still want to participate in the AIPAD IDO? I have good news for you. Found this tweet that was retweeted by AIPAD IDO that they are launching together with Moonsale an exclusive AIPAD giveaway. No tires and no KYC required. So all you need to do to participate in this giveaway is to click the link below this video. You will see such page where you need to just enter your email address, BNB Smart Chain wallet address, and click here that you are not a robot. Click on enter. Then you will need to complete all tasks below, like follow Moonsale on Twitter, retweet, follow AIPAD on Twitter, and join some Telegram groups, etc. And you are in. And basically that's all you need to do to have a chance to participate in the AIPAD IDO without any tie or KYC. So click the link below, enter this giveaway, and good luck.